Question number 1. Now today's class, question number 1. Velocity time graph for a body. Velocity time graph. Be very careful. Velocity. So you tell me velocity time graph will give you what? By this time you all tell me. Velocity time graph will give you what? Acceleration. Understand, Mr. Kishore, Lingesh? That is velocity time graph. Yeah, velocity time graph of a body in motion. Please mute yourself. In motion is shown below figure. Is shown in below figure. Mute. Who is that? Yes. Below figure. Roman number 1. What type of motion is represented by? What type of motion? What type of motion represented by OA? I will draw the figure, don't worry. OA, AB, BC and as well as CD. Clear? That is the first question. Roman number 2. Calculate the acceleration in the body from O to A, A to B, B to C and C to D. If you solve this question, mostly you can solve. Mr. Sailesh, are you there in meeting? Call to absent is whomever. Nivedan, good morning, Nivedan. Who is missing, Mari?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Next. What is the distance covered?
Pranav is missing.
Covered Pranav and Shivani also.
Shivani.
Yeah. Sailesh. Body
Yes, sir.
from Gokul Raj. From 2 seconds.
Came now, sir. And when came, sir.
Who? Gokul Raj.
Sailesh came.
Yeah. Mr. Sailesh, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Write the question fastly. Why are you late, boy? 10 minutes late. Shall we start the graph? Everybody, draw the question. Any doubt, anybody can ask me. Have you understand totally how many parts question? 3 parts. Shall we start the question now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So it will take time to draw the graph. So you have to draw very carefully, neatly, with the help of scale only. No free hand. Diagram must be very beautiful, very perfect. Okay. So this is x-axis and this is which axis? X-axis and all of you.
Yes.
Y-axis. Okay. Now first x-axis, tell me x-axis, what is that? What graph it is? Velocity time graph? What graph it is? Velocity. Okay. So here time in seconds and here velocity is in what? Velocity in what?
Meter.
1 second.
1 second. What, Mari? Meters you are saying? Very well. So do it fast the question. Silas, write the question fastly. Have you all completed question? Sangamitrai, Lingesh, Sanjay.
Yes, sir.
Please write the question fastly. Agalya completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do it quickly now. Mr. Pranav, Mr. Gokul Raj and Shivani. Shivani is there? No. Okay, do it fast. Can I start the diagram now? All of you. So intersection point we used to call it as 0. Next, certain time period I am taking 1 second. Seconds, guys, it is. Next one, 2 seconds. Next one, 3 seconds. Equal distance. Take it is equal distance. 4 seconds. Next, middle I am taking, it is 4.5. Why means you will understand. The graph it will come. 4.5. Next one, 5. Next one, 6 seconds. Next one, 7 seconds. Next one, 8 seconds. Is it okay, wa? Sanjay? Same way. Here, all of you. Velocity, 1 meter per second, 2 meter per second, 3 meter per second, equal distance, 4 meter per second, 5 meter per second, 6 meter per second, 7 meter per second, 8 meter per second. Any doubt, anybody? Please respond. All of you clear? Yes?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, graph first. Directly see to 8 to 2 it is going. Okay, that is the first graph. Next, I'll make it dotted lines. This is dotted lines, guys. Okay, outlines, dashes. Sorry, Amari.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next, I'm taking towards to the point A. Purima graph, everybody understood a graph, first graph?
Yes, sir.
All of you. So velocity is how much? 8 meter per second, and time is how much? 2 seconds. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Next. Again up to 4.5. I'll take it directly first. So pakranga, how I am drawing, neatly draw like that only. Okay, so from there to there. Any doubt, anybody can ask. So again from this point to this point. Okay, Ra? Clear? All of you. This point is A. This point is what now? What is this point, everybody? B. Let me take this point is E. Okay, this point is B. Now again from here to C, 6 seconds. Okay. Let me draw first complete graph. From here to here again 6 seconds. Again 8. Okay. 8. Next. Yeah, I will extend this line directly. Ellame understood or not? I want to know the graph, how neatly I am drawing for your purpose only. So you have to draw same way. Okay, Ra? Mari, can you able to draw?
Yes, sir.
At 6. Next. It becomes straight line. Up to 8 seconds. Of course, I can draw and I can make complete the graph. The graph. Any doubt? Anybody can ask it. So this is the graph. So B point, and this is F point. This is C point. This is D point. Any doubt? Anybody can ask it. Is it okay, guys? And this is the G point. All of you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay. Now, first question. Shall we start the first question? Graph is completed or not? I want to know.
Yes, sir.
Do it fast. Okay. Shall we start now, Agalya? This is the graph.
Yes, sir.
Now, first question, what they're asking? What they're asking, check it. Velocity time graph of a body in motion is shown in the below figure. Now, what type of motion represented by OA, AB, BC, and CD? First, OA. Tell me. OA is represented what motion? Uniformly accelerated motion,
Uniform.
or what motion it is? First,
Uniformly accelerated motion,
yeah,
sir.
first one is OA, O to A. What is that, everybody?
Uniformly
Uniformly
accelerated.
accelerated motion.
Accelerated motion. Next, A to B. Everybody, uniformly.
Uniformly deaccelerated.
Yeah, A to B. A to B, Uniformly deceleration we can call some word. Anybody?
Retardation.
Yeah, uniformly retarded motion. Next again, B to C. B to C,
Uniformly accelerated motion.
uniformly accelerated motion. Purema ellame. Next, C to D. What is that? C to D. I know zero acceleration means what it is. That is what I want. We have to use
Ideal
the
motion.
Ideal
no,
motion.
no, Mari. Don't invite new things and all. I know if C to D acceleration is zero means something is constant. I want that. With constant what?
Velocity.
Adya Ven. Sarya. It is uniform motion. Understanding C to D is uniform motion, but uniform motion with what? All of you. Uniform motion with
Constant velocity.
constant velocity. Purema Mari. Don't invite new things. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Anybody can ask me. So that is what. All of you clear? Sangamitrai.
Yes, sir.
Do it fast. Mr. Pranav, 20 minutes late. I don't know what are you doing. Do it quickly, everybody. Any doubt, anybody can ask me. If you're okay, then we'll start doing next. First question completed. Silas, Mudinjicha. See, here uniform, it is parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis means what? What is Mr. Lingesh? What do you mean by parallel to x-axis? Sanjay? Constant velocity. Yes or no, Agalya? We have written or not? Verify your notebooks. Last before class.
Yes.
Yeah, for a stationary, yeah, velocity time graph, displacement and time graph you can see. For an object in uniform motion, what velocity? Constant velocity, and acceleration is said to be what? Acceleration is said to be 0. Understand?
True.
That is what. Clear? Here you remember, A is positive, acceleration is positive. From B to A to B, acceleration is what? A to B, acceleration is negative. And B to C, acceleration is again positive. Understanding? And C to D, acceleration is 0. Purema ellame. Respond, guys.
Yes, sir.
Do it. Nivedan completed. That is.
Finish, sir.
Yeah, very good. Next, second question. What is the second question? Calculate the acceleration in the body from O to A to B, B to C, and C to D. First, acceleration from A to B. Tell me slope. We have to find slope. Agalya, what is the slope? You should tell me. This is triangle. O to A. Only O to A. Acceleration of the body from O to A. What it will give you? Second question. If you are not responding, I won't teach you. Acceleration of the body from O to A. Tell me, O to A is given by what? Everybody is given by the slope of line OA. Is it yes or no, Mari? Will you accept it? Slope of line OA.
Yes, sir.
Will give you that. So what is the slope? I will try to highlight it with a highlighter. You can see. Who is that making sound? Please mute yourself. Okay. So now first acceleration. I will highlight that alone. Everybody check it. So if I highlight it, you will understand it. So this is what it is. Is it correct? Everybody, slope means this is only a yes or no? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What is the triangle? OEA. What is the triangle it is?
OE.
OAE or OEA, whatever it is. So this is the triangle. Here E, here O, here A. Okay. Now, so what is the slope? Tell me slope of this one, which is equals to what? Slope is equals to acceleration. So slope is equals to acceleration equals to what will come? Do you respond, guys? Tan theta equals to what? Otherwise, leave from the meeting. Don't join.
Sir, Y2 minus Y1.
AE divided by OE. What, Mari? Correct? Perpendicular divided by base. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then AE means what? All of you tell me. A is equals to how much? Check it. A is equals to 8. Yeah, and OE is equals to
8
what?
plus
OE is equals to what? 2. That's
2.
all. So acceleration A is equals to 8 by 2, which is equals to what?
4 meter per second square.
4 meter.
4 meter per second square. That's all. Clear? Ah?
Yes, sir.
Everybody, any doubt? Anybody can ask me. Understood? Next, second triangle, A to B. A to B, this is the triangle. So triangle, tell me A to B, how much it will come? I will highlight it. I will increase the thickness also. This is the triangle. Tell me. Initial velocity and final velocity. What is the final initial velocity? Can you tell me? It is decreasing. So what is the initial velocity?
Sir, initial velocity is 8, sir. The
8.
final
Very
velocity
good.
is
3.
3.
Very good. So initial velocity is what? 8. And
8.
final velocity is what? 3.
3.
And initial time is what? 2. Final time is what? Final time is
4.5.
what?
4.5.
4.5. That is, you should tell me. So what will come now? Acceleration from A to B. Tell me, everybody. Acceleration from A to B. What will come? Acceleration is equals to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by final time minus initial time. Yes or no, Mari?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
taking as a AB because as you mentioned. So what is the final velocity? Respond. What is the final velocity? 3. Okay. Initial velocity 8. Final time 4.5. Initial time 2, which is equals to 3 minus 8. How much? Minus 5.
Minus 5.
4.5 minus 2, 2.5, which is equals to how much? Solve it. I'll take into 10 multiplication. It will turns into minus 50 divided by 25, which is equals to what is the acceleration? Minus
Minus
2 meter per second square, because it is deacceleration. So A should come what? Negative or positive? Negative.
Negative.
Understanding? Agalya, clear? Sailesh, Lingesh? Nothing. So this is negative. So we got it. Next again, acceleration from B to C. Be very careful. Acceleration from B to C. Be very careful. So now B to C. What is the initial velocity now? B to C.
3.
Initial velocity is what, everybody? From B to C.
3.
B to C initial
3.
velocity is 3.
3.
Final velocity is what? Final
8.
velocity is what?
8.
8. Initial
8,
time.
sir.
Initial time 4.5. Final
4.5.
4.5.
Final
6.
time 6. That's all.
6.
Then write it. Tell me fastly. Acceleration from B to C. Yes or no, guys? So what will come? A is equals to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by final time TC minus TB. So solunga fastly. VC equals to 8 minus initial velocity 3 divided by final time is 6. Initial velocity is 4.5, which is equals to 8 minus 3, 5, divided by 6 minus 4.5. How much? 1.5. So which is equals to 50 divided by 15. Yes or no, guys? Yes, please. 50 divided by 15.
Yes, sir.
Can I write it or not?
Yes, sir.
Next. 5, 3. Yes.
10
What
by-
will come? Yeah, 10 by 3.
10 by
Yeah, 10 by 3, which will come. 5 table, 5 3s are 5 10s are. So 10 by 3. 10 by 3 means 3.33 meter per second square. Yes or no, everybody? 3.33 meter per second square. Is it okay, wa? Sangamitra madam solving? I don't know. No response at all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Understood or not, everybody? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, any doubt, anybody can ask me. Next, solve it till
Only
here.
one doubt, sir.
Ask me.
Sir, in the first case, you have taken that theta, the tan theta formula, no, sir.
Yeah. You want, you can take normally this also, Mari. 8 minus 0 divided by 2 minus 0. That is also you can take. Nothing will wrong.
What, sir? Normal one, what, sir?
You can take normal also. Final velocity VA minus initial velocity V0 VO divided by final time TA minus initial time T0. So final velocity is 8 minus initial velocity is 0. divided by final time is 2, initial time is 0. So which is equals to 8 by 2, which is equals to 4 meter per second square. Purima Mari.
Yes, sir. Sir, one doubt, sir. In
Hmm.
the first case, the time having no, sir, 2.
Hmm.
We need to subtract it from so 0 only, no, sir.
Oh, yes, I have done.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Do that. Alternative method, your choice. Whatever you are feeling, you can do it.
C to D.
Which is your convenient. You can do it. So C to D you want, Mari? Yeah, finish it till here. Anything till here doubt, Mr. Kishore, Lingesh? Shivani, late. Late means no use. I don't want actually. It's very, very okay. Do it now. Any doubt? Anybody can ask me. Completed.
Sir.
This is alternative method. Keep it in mind. We can solve by using triangle also. Okay, everybody. Everything we can solve by using triangles because we know tan theta is equals to what, Ra? Tan theta is equals to slope. Slope is equals to what? Perpendicular divided by base.
Axle.
Understanding base. So AE divided by OE will come. Okay, Mari?
Yes, sir. Sir, theta is tan theta is equal to slope. Slope is equal to acceleration. Can we write like
Yes,
that?
we can write. Slope equals to acceleration. Everything is same. Clear? Understood, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Next, last question is there still. They are asking what? Acceleration between C to D. So C to D, tell me, what is the initial velocity? C to
6,
D.
sir.
A, initial velocity, C to D. Initial velocity is
8, sir.
8. Final velocity also. Final
8.
velocity also.
8, sir.
8.
Final also.
8.
Yeah, 8. So initial time is 6. Final time
6,
is
sir.
8.
8, sir.
Yeah, Sanjay is asking C to B to C. Okay, Sanjay. B to C, Sanjay. Is it okay, Sanjay? Check it. Complete it, everybody. Next. Acceleration from C to D. So what is the acceleration formula? Initial velocity. Final velocity. VD minus VC divided by TD minus TC. So what is the initial final velocity? 8. Initial velocity also 8. Divided
8.
by. Final time is 8. Initial time is 6. So 8 minus 8, 0. 0 divided by 2. Anything 0 divided by anything. What?
0.
0. So C to D, what is that acceleration? 0. Darshan, understand Darshan? Pranav, Sangamitrai, Nivedan? Any doubt? Anybody can ask. Clear? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood or not?
Sir.
Okay. Next. Sanjay, completed. Sanjay, please respond. Acceleration from B to C and acceleration from C to D. Completed. Next. Next question, what they are asking. Check it, everybody. What is the distance covered by the body from where to where? From where to where, guys? From where to where, Ra?
Sir, 2 seconds to 4.
2 seconds to 6 seconds. All useless only. Nothing will happen. So 2 seconds to 6 seconds means from where to where? Check it here. From here to here. 6 seconds. Yeah, we
A to
have to
C.
do A to C. A to C fully. I'm going to highlight it. Entire we have to find that. So if you want to find the distance means we studied shortcut. What is the distance, Ra? If you want to find the distance means, Mr. Lingesh, what we have to do? Yes, please. We have to find the what, guys? We have to find the
Area.
area of a what? Area under the graph. So now if you notice it, this graph having 2 trapeziums. Have you checked it? Agalya? One trapezium is EABF. EABF is one trapezium. Second trapezium is BFCG. Is it right or wrong? All of you.
Yes, sir.
One
Yes, sir.
trapezium. Area of a trapezium. AEBF, one trapezium. Second trapezium is BFCG. Is it correct or not? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, will you all accept it? Yesterday we studied area of a trapezium formula. Anybody?
Parallel side in
Half into sum of the parallel
Parallel
sides.
sides
Half
into
into one of
height.
the
Height.
parallel sides into height,
So
sir.
height, that's all. So write it. Distance covered by the body. Distance covered by the body from 2 seconds to 6 seconds is equals to area under what? Area under the graph. Area under the graph from time 2 seconds to 6 seconds. Time 2 seconds to 6 seconds. Lingesh, what happened today? Not able to speak and the sound is coming. So that's all. So distance is equals to what, guys? Tell me what is the trapezium names? Your notebook you see and tell me. I won't show the diagram. Let me see who will say. Area of trapezium.
Sir, area of AB,
Trapezium AE.
AB,
AEFB.
yes, sir.
AEFB. 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 Second one. BFGC. BFGC. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's all. Okay. Plus area of a trapezium. Sanjay Purima. Area of a trapezium. What is that? BFGC. Is it okay, guys? Now, distance S is equals to, or displacement S, distance only. Distance S is equals to area of a trapezium formula. Tell me. Half into parallel sides. Sum of the parallel sides. Who is the parallel sides in the picture? I want to know. First triangle. Who is the parallel sides? AE,
Sir, AE and
AE plus
BF.
BF. Very good.
CG.
AE plus BF. AE plus BF into height. Height is what? Height is
EF.
EF.
B,
Understand it?
BF.
EF. Height is EF. Plus half into second triangle parallel sides. BF and
CG.
CG. And what is the height? Height.
FG.
EG,
Ah,
FG,
FG.
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 FG. So what is that parallel sides? BF and CG. Okay, into FG. Is it okay, guys? All of you? That's all. Okay, then from the graph, we'll write the graph values. First tell me, AE values. AE how much? Agalya? 8. Next, BF. BF how much? BF is 3. Next, EF. EF is how much? 6 minus, sorry, EF means 4.5 minus 2. How much, guys? Height
2.5.
4.5. 4.5 minus 2, which is equals to 2.5. Clear? Nobody will respond. Clear? 2.5.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Second, BF again. Again BF. BF is equals to what? 3. CG
Sir,
equals
EF also 2.5, 2 only, no, sir.
Mari, 4.5. 4.5 minus 2, how much, Mari?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here 4.5. F is at 4.5, Mari, not at 4.
Yes, sir.
BF is how much? 3. Next, CG. CG is how much? CG is how much, Amma? 8.
8, sir.
Next, FG. FG is how much? 6 minus 4.5, which is equals to
1.5.
1.5. Clear? Ellame?
Yes, sir.
Understood? Respond, ra?
Yes, sir.
Values. 1 by 2
Yes,
into
sir.
AE value 8 plus BF value 3 into EF value how much? 2.5 plus 1 by 2 into BF value 3 plus CG value 8 into EFG value how much? 1.5. Clear? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
So 1 by 2 into 8 plus 3 how much? 8 plus 3? No.
11.
11. 11 into
11.
2.5 plus 1 by 2 into 8 plus 3 again 11. 11 into 1.5. So 2 ones are 2 5.5. Is it okay, guys? 2 ones are 2 5.5. Is it okay, guys? Please respond. So
Yes, sir.
5.5 into 2.5 plus 5.5 into 1.5. Let me see who will say first. 5.5 into 2.5. Fastly answer, please. 1375.
13.75.
Yeah, plus 5.5 into 1.5. How much, Shivani? 825. So 8.25, which is equals to, add this both, everybody, you'll get 22 meters. Solve it. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me in this. Are you all clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do it. Saying is easy. You have to solve it. I don't know Mr. Sailesh. I don't know what he is doing. Sangamitra also. Nothing responding. Solving a Sangamitra.
Yes, sir.
5.5 into 1.5 is 8.25 only, no, sir.
8.25 only, Mari.
Yes, sir.
Sanjay Mudinjicha, Tauta, Nivedan, Shivani, Lingesh, Kishore. Kishore, no response today. What happened? I don't know. Alpin,
No, sir. No, sir.
really able to solve?
Yes, sir.
If you're really able to solve, I'm happy only. But simply sitting on namesake doing no use. Sailesh, do it now. Once completed, let me know.
So completed, sir.
Others also
completed.
let them. Okay. Everybody completed? Others? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then next question. Question number 2. The velocity time graph of a body. The velocity time graph of a body is given in a figure below. Is given in figure below. Calculate the displacement. Calculate the displacement covered in 8 seconds. Also calculate the acceleration of the body. Is it okay, guys? Calculate the acceleration of the body. Understood? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. I'm drawing the graph here itself. Small graph I will draw. So you people can make it yourself. So this motion, can you tell me what is this motion? By this time you can say people.
Uniform deceleration or
Uniform
retardation.
deacceleration. Very
Retard
good.
motion.
Uniform deacceleration, or we can say retardation. This point is 20. Keep it in mind. So y-axis. Y-axis, what will be there? Velocity. Velocity meter per second. And here time is at point A, this is, and point B. Can you tell me what is the initial velocity now?
Initial velocity is
20.
20.
And what is the final velocity? It came to 0.
0.
0. Understanding? Don't take this is 8 final velocity. 8 is a what?
Time, sir.
Time. That is you have to remember. Yeah. So what is the final velocity here? It came to x-axis. Means what is the final velocity? All of you.
0.
0. Okay. Then find the distance and the displacement and as well as acceleration. Very good. That's all. Displacement means what? Area under the what? Area under the
Area.
what? All of
Under
area under
Under the
the
slope.
yeah,
triangular, see triangular, right?
yeah, that's all.
Slope.
Yeah, under the graph. That's all. Can you find it? What is that area under the graph? First triangle, tell me triangle, what is that? What is the triangle?
Right, sir.
Yeah, what is the triangle?
Plus OA.
Yeah, displacement is equals to area of triangle what? AOB. Yes or no?
AOB.
That is. So half in the triangle formula, what is the area of a triangle? Half into
Half into base into height.
height. Base is what? OB. Height is what? OA. Yes or no, guys?
OA.
That's all. So S is equals to half into base is how much? 8. Understanding? OA 20. So which is equals to 2 1s are 2 4s are. So S is equals to 420 is how much?
80, sir.
80 meters. Understand everybody? Next. Yes or no? Acceleration. If you want to find acceleration is equals to what? Slope. Slope is equals to what? Tan theta. So tan theta is equals to what? Right angle triangle.
Perpendicular divided
Yeah.
by base.
Right angle triangle. Perpendicular divided by base. What is the perpendicular here? OA. And
Perpendicular
base
is
OA.
OB. Okay, that's all. OA divided by OB. OA divided by OB. OA is equals to how much?
OA is 20, sir.
20 minus 20. Initial velocity, final velocity, Mari. That is what? Okay. So we have to take initial velocity, final velocity VB minus initial velocity VA divided by final time is TB minus initial time is what?
Minus 20, sir.
TA. Okay. So final velocity is 0, initial velocity is 20 divided by final time is 8, initial time is 0. So which is equals to minus 20 by 8, which is equals to what? All of you.
2.5, sir.
Minus 2.5.
Okay.
Acceleration is equals to minus 2.5 meter per second square. Am I clear? Now, here I will teach you a new thing, which is you people not know till now. I'll teach you in the next meeting, rejoin. Okay. Till here you completed. Have you all understand, Mari? Okay, wow.
Yes, sir.
That is why here instead of OA, you take better AO. So that can you understand? Up to down you have to come. Okay, wow. AO.
Yes, sir.
Okay, wow. Everybody. Same way, this is